Hi students, today we'll do a sum on PL appropriation account and partners capital account. Here the question is, A and P started a partnership on 1st April 2018. Their capital contribution were rupees 2 lakh and rupees 1,50,000 respectively. The partnership did as follows: interest on capital to be allowed at the rate of 10% per annum. A and P to get monthly salary of rupees 2,000 and rupees 3,000 respectively. Profits to be shared in the ratio of 3:2. Net profit for the year ended 31st March 2019 was rupees 2,16,000. Interest on drawings amounted to rupees 2,200 for A and 2,500 for P. Prepare partners capital account and PL appropriation account. You all can see here, this is the question, and I have also solved the question. I will show it to you in detail. You can see here the net profit is 2,16,000. There are two partners A and P, and their PSR, the profit sharing ratio between them, is 3:2. So we'll start the sum with PL appropriation account. You can see the format of the PL appropriation account. On the credit side, it is written by net profit, rupees 2,16,000. Thereafter, we have also mentioned the interest on drawings there, 2,200 of A and 2,500 of P. This adds up to 4,700. On the debit side, you can see, first of all, we have interest on capital. As in the question, it was told interest on capital is allowed at the rate of 10%. So 10% of 2 lakh and 1,50,000 for A and P, it gives us 20,000 and 15,000. This will add up to 35,000. Next is salary. Be careful for salary. Salary was told monthly, so we won't be writing here monthly. We'll write the annual salary. So 2,000 and 3,000 per month are multiplied with 12, as there are 12 months in a year. So we get for A 24,000 and for P 36,000. This adds up to rupees 60,000. Now on the credit side, we have net profit and interest on drawings. We'll add them both. We'll get to 2,20,700. The same total we'll also write on the debit side, and from this total we'll subtract this 35,000 and 60,000, which will give us 1,25,700. This 1,25,700 will be divided between A and P in the ratio of 3:2. So this is the profit and loss appropriation account, if you can see here. Next, we also need to prepare the partners capital account. You can see the format here. The partners capital account here is just like A and P. We'll start with the credit side by balance BD. Balance BD is just the balance of the capital, 2 lakh and 1,50,000. Next is interest on capital as provided in the PL appropriation account. The same interest on capital we need to write here. Same salary and DP for A and P respectively we have written here. On the debit side, we have interest on drawings and drawings. Here in the question, drawings has not been mentioned. Directly interest on drawings was provided to us, so we have written the interest on drawings directly for A and P. For drawings, we have left the column as nil. Now, after adding up the credit side, we get 3,19,420 for A and 2,51,280 for P. The same total will carry on the debit side, and from this total we'll subtract the amount that is already in the debit side. From this, if we subtract this 2,200, we'll get 3,17,220, and from this 2,51,280, if we subtract 2,500, we'll be getting 248,780. So this is the partners capital account, if you can see here properly. So I want you all to copy this sum in your copy, and after this I'm providing you one more question to solve. You will solve it and send it to me personally in WhatsApp as soon as possible. Till then, thank you very much and bye.